Hey there, email warriors. Welcome back to another super helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to archive email in Gmail for 2025. If your inbox is overflowing with messages and you're craving some digital decluttering, archiving is your best friend. It hides emails from your main view without deleting them, keeping them safe for later. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're on the web version, head to gmail.com and sign in. Now, look for the emails you want to archive. You can select one by clicking the checkbox next to it, or hold down Ctrl or Command on Mac to pick multiple ones at once. This makes it super efficient. Once you've selected your emails, spot the archive icon. It's that little box with a downward arrow, usually at the top of your inbox. Click it, and poof! Those emails vanish from your main inbox but stay stored in your All Mail label. Easy, right? If you're using the Gmail app on your phone, it's just as straightforward. Open the app, long press an email to select it, and tap the archive button at the bottom. But what if you need to find those archived gems later? No worries. Use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords from the email, or go directly to the All Mail section in your labels on the left sidebar. Pro tip for 2025. Gmail's updated interface might include smarter search filters, so experiment with advanced options like date or sender to locate your archives faster. One more thing. Archiving doesn't delete emails, but if you're tight on storage, remember Gmail's auto-purge for very old messages. Always double-check before you archive important stuff. And if you accidentally archive something, just go to All Mail and move it back to your inbox. There you have it, folks. Mastering email archiving in Gmail will keep your digital life organized and stress-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one. Stay efficient.